Hello dear friends, welcome back again to another video from my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about the gynoecium. Before we discuss the gynoecium, let us recall the things that we have studied in the previous video. If I can draw a typical bisexual flower, this typical bisexual flower consists of both essential holes as well as accessory holes. This is the female reproductive part of the plant and this is the male reproductive part of the plant. Male and female reproductive parts, they are given with a particular name. This male reproductive part, it is called as androecium. It is the androecium. Whereas the female reproductive part, it is called as gynoecium. Now, in our previous videos, we talked about the androecium in detail. Now, in this video, we are going to understand about the female reproductive system, that is gynoecium. Gynoecium, it consists of three very important parts in it. Three distinct parts in it. This part of the gynoecium, it is called as a stigma. It is this stigma. And a long tube-like structure, a cylinder-like structure, it is called as style. It is the style. And the basal swollen portion, this portion, it is called as ovary. Ovary. That means the gynoecium has got three very important parts: stigma, style, ovary. Let us recall the three very important parts of the androecium: anther, connective and the filament. They are the three parts of androecium, whereas gynoecium has got stigma, style and the ovary. This is the entire gynoecium. Whereas the free unit of gynoecium, or the individual unit of the gynoecium, it is commonly called as pistil or carpel. Pistil or carpel. Now, some of the flowers, they have only one pistil. Some of the flowers, they have got many pistil. The flower with only having one pistil, flower with one pistil, it is called as monocarpellary. If any flower which is having only one pistil, that means only one gynoecium part, it is called as monocarpellary. If the flower having flower with many pistil, then such flowers are called as multicarpellary or polycarpellary. Flower with many pistils, it is called as multicarpellary condition. Flowers with only one pistil, they are called as monocarpellary. In multicarpellary, some flowers, they have got a fused kind of pistils. If the pistils are fused together, fused pistils, they are called as syncarpous. If the pistils are fused together in the multicarpellary condition, if the pistils are fused together, then they are called as syncarpous. If the pistils are free pistils in a multicarpellary condition, if the pistils are free, then such pistils are called as apocarpous. Let us recall once again. Flower with only one pistil, it is called as monocarpellary. Flowers with many pistils, they are called as multicarpellary or polycarpous. In polycarpous condition, if the pistils are fused together, joined together, combined together, then such condition is called as a syncarpus. If the pistils are freely arranged, then such pistils are called as apocarpus. Now, after studying the basics of the pistil, let us try to analyze the various parts of the gynoecium. Gynoecium, as we have discussed earlier and labeled earlier, they consist of three very important parts: stigma, style, and the ovary. Now, what is this stigma? Stigma is a receiving platform of a pollen grain. Stigma is a platform to receive the male gametophyte, that is pollen grains. Stigma is a platform on which the pollen grain should be landed. It is a receiving platform for the pollen grain. Whereas style is the long cylindrical, hollow, sometimes it is solid. This is a long tube-like cylindrical structure through which the pollen tube grows. It is a cylindrical structure through which pollen tube grows. And the basal part of this gynoecium, it is called as ovary. This is the most important part of the pistil. Why it is most important? Because the female gametophyte is located inside the ovary. Ovary is swollen, it is bulgy, it is enlarged portion, it is the basal portion of the gynoecium, in which we have got many cavities like this. Many cavities, many compartments, many chambers. All these compartments, they are called as ovarian cavities. But scientifically, all these ovarian cavities are called as locules. They are called as locules. Now, what are locules? Locules are the compartments in the ovary. Locules are the ovarian cavities in the ovary. And inside these ovarian cavity, the female gametophyte is located. Here we have got the female gametophyte located like this. They are the female gametophytes located. And these female gametophytes, they are called as megasporangium, or simply they are called as ovules. They are simply called as ovules. Ovules are the female gametophytes, just like how we have the pollen grains as the male gametophyte. Inside these ovules, female gamete is located, like how exactly in the pollen grains male gametes are located. Now, these ovules are connected to the ovarian cavities by a tissue here. This tissue, it is called as placenta. It is called as placenta. Now, what is placenta? Placenta is a connecting tissue that connects ovules to the ovarian cavities, that connects ovules to the locules. Now, the arrangement of ovules, arrangement of megasporangium inside the ovary, it is called as placentation. Placentation. I hope you people have studied this placentation concept in your first year PUC. Placentation means arrangement of ovules inside the ovary. Based on the arrangement of ovules inside the ovary, scientist has classified various types of placentation like marginal placentation, basal placentation, free central placentation, periantal placentation, axial placentation. Just recall the things what we have studied in the first year PUC. Placentation is completely different from the placenta. Don't get confused between placentation and the placenta. Placenta is a connecting tissue that connects ovules to the ovarian cavity, whereas placentation is the arrangement of ovules inside the ovary. Now, so far we have studied the female reproductive system in the flower, that is gynoecium. In our next video, we are going to understand about this megasporangium, structure of the megasporangium, which is very important for both board as well as for competitive exams. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.